So I did already originally have a Google Drive that I used previous to this. So I have different folders for different things in my EDCI 270 badges folder. Right now I just have my Life on the Farm PowerPoint presentation, and I used that when I submitted my very first screencast badge to talk about my theme. I also have in here my Google Docs about Life on a Farm that I typed up. So that is in here as well. If I wanted to make a new folder, for example, I would go here. So let's go back out to my drive. New folder, and then I could title it anything I wanted. Like I have been wanting to get a Purdue Fall 2019 folder made, so I could put things like my syllabi in there, and it'll just add that right in at the bottom for me. So it really is useful. I had a Google Drive account all through high school that we used, but we no longer have that account, so I had to make my own new one a while back, but it really was useful to have that. I really enjoy using Google Drive. It's really easy for me to navigate, and it's nice having something that you're familiar with to store things in that you use every day.